The strength of the weak. In a small village lived a quiet boy named Hamza. He was thin and shy, and many boys made fun of him because he was not physically strong. They believed only muscles showed power. Hamza never argued. Instead, he spent his time observing nature and learning the paths of the forest surrounding the village. One rainy season, a sudden flood struck the area. The river overflowed, and the main bridge was blocked by heavy fallen trees. The strongest men tried to remove the logs, but the water was rising fast. Panic spread everywhere. Hamza stepped forward and said softly, "There is another way." At first, no one believed him, but with no other choice, they followed him through a hidden forest trail he had explored many times. The path led them safely to a hill above the floodwaters. That day, the villagers understood something important. Strength is not always loud or visible. Sometimes it is quiet knowledge and fearless action. Moral: never underestimate someone because of appearance. True strength comes from within.